some more yuccas. I've got these little plants. I don't know what they're called, but I just love the way that they created this little triangle. And then these here, I'll have to get the name of those. It's my hydrangea tree that is just starting to kind of pull itself together. As you can see there, it's just starting to get the buds on that. So I can't wait for this to get full. It's gonna fill up the space here. As it grows, look how the sod has done well and taken. So I'm just really excited. Welcome back, lifestylers. I'm so grateful for you to be here today. And in this video, this is going to be part 2 of my landscaping, but I decided to do something a little bit different. I decided to give you a visual of what we were dealing with when we moved into this home a few years back and how we began to transition it and began to clean it up. If you've been here before, you know I've mentioned before that we bought this home and it was a short sale. It was in a really rough condition, as you saw just a moment ago, where the shrubs had completely overtaken the front landscaping. It was completely covered up. We had windows that were in need of repair because anytime you have shrubs that overtake your windows, it will cause your windows to rot, as these had done. And this is showing you how large of a space, all of this space that you see here currently, was completely covered up with shrubs. That's how massive this landscaping was for the front of this home. It was humongous. And so I decided I did not want to go that large again. I feel like it was just completely overtaking the house, and it was unnecessary because we could really make something really pretty by scaling it back and just causing it to be more of a better flow for the aesthetics of the home. On this side, as you can see, it was completely washing away. It was just barren dirt once we removed all the shrubs, and it was unhealthy, and it just looked horrible. And I'm just really excited for what we've been able to do. If you haven't seen the first video, definitely take a look at that. But we went in and started planting some new shrubs just to give the home a fresh look. So take a look at the first video so you can get the full scope of everything that we've done and the things that we're going to continue to do. I wanted to give you all a quick video and follow up on how the landscaping has come so far. So we are done, and I'm so thrilled. It looks amazing. So I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to show you all some of the things that we've done, some of the trees that we planted. I'm going to try to remember all the names. If I can't, then I'll put it on the screen. And that way you can kind of get an idea of what these things look like if you would include them in your own landscaping. So here we go. Let's turn around. So here we have some geraniums. Now I'm going to be honest. We just planted these probably about 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, we've had so much rain. I don't think they're doing as well. So I'm hoping that that's just from them coming from the store and having to come back. Here, a hostas. So I'm surprised because they're saying hostas don't do well in full sun. This one is thriving. Here I have some aster. These will be coming in the fall with a purple color, so they are not, fully developed now. This southern lace tree is my absolute best love because it is stunning and I can't wait for it to get full size. This is not doing as well this time around. So this one's been planted. We cut it back and it's just now starting to come back. So I'm going to wait to see what it's going to end up. That's a yucca plant. We've got some Hetz midgets here. I've got some sedum here, I think is what it's called. I've got my rose tree. I'm gonna be honest, this has the most beautiful red roses on it, and with all the rain, they have completely gotten knocked off. So that one's not doing not as well as I think. Then we've got these. I'm gonna have to get the name of those because I don't remember. I've got to get 2 more Hetch midget arborvitaes here. I've got some more sedum. I've got my tree here. I'm gonna have to put the name of this one. Actually, let me just take a look. It's probably still on here. This is the blue arrow juniper. So this is going to get tall and fill up this space right here. So that's what I'm excited about. These are the other geraniums. And as you can see, these are doing much better than the other one. My butterfly bush. Look at all the rain. Look what it's done to that one. This is going to be, oh gosh, I'll have to get the name of that one because I don't remember. Some more yuccas. I've got these little plants. I don't know what they're called, but I just love the way that they created this little triangle. And then these here, I'll have to get the name of those. This is some lilac. This is my hydrangea tree that is just starting to kind of pull itself together. As you can see there, it's just starting to get the buds on that. So I can't wait for this to get full. It's going to fill up this space here. I'm really excited for what that's going to look like. And then let's look on this side. So we've got some more petunias here, some more sedum. We've had to put some grass down and it is taking its time. And we've got another blue arrow juniper here. We've got another rose bush here. I'll have to get the name of this one because I just love the color. And it's going to fill up this space because it's a grower. And then we have this beauty. I'll have to get the name of that one as well. So guys, it has taken me some time to get back out here to get this video done. We have been getting so much rain here in Georgia for the past few weeks. And honestly, the landscapers were running behind. We were trying to get this video completed. And I'm just going to be honest. I said, if I don't just go ahead and put out the video for what I have, I don't know if I'll ever get this done. So this is a day that we can see the grass has been cut. We've still got some spots that we're waiting on the grass to come through. My husband may go back out and reseed it. But I'm really excited for what it's doing. As you can see, those little bare spots are still there. So we're working on those areas. But the landscaping is coming together. And what I'm really thrilled at is all of the beautiful color. Look at all that grass. That's how thick it had grown. And so we really had to cut it way back. I mean, it was looking horrendous. And we just told them to take it down a little bit shorter than we normally would. And I'm excited. It's still a little brown from where they cut it, and that kind of worried me a little bit. But my husband told me, hey, don't worry, it will come back, but have them cut it short because we were getting just so much rain. And this is the landscapers out there finishing up the job, just making it look beautiful. And I'm really excited about that. So as we go around, I'm going to show you also on the side of the house because we hadn't really shown that and how that spot was completely overgrown. And it just really needed a lot of work. So as you can see here, we actually had already done this. I didn't record it. And don't ask me why. But as you can see, that little spot there, this entire area was that same way when we had the house pressure washed because it was so dirty. It had not been done in probably about 30 years. We had it pressure washed. He had to use so much bleach to get the house back clean that, guys, it killed the grass around the house in so many spots. To allow you to get a visual of how dirty the house was, take a look at this quick clip that I put in of the guy actually pressure washing the house. The amount of dirt that this house had on it was completely insane. Now back to the landscaping. Look at how thick the grass had gotten as the guy is still in the back doing the landscaping. But in that little area, we were able to go in. We put some more seed for grass seed to get the grass growing again. And then we redid the flower bed. And I decided, because my grandsons are always out in this area playing basketball, look at this beautiful tree. We planted this gardenia tree And I'm so thrilled with the way that it's looking. It is so beautiful. I am a little concerned because, as you can see, some of the fresh buds are being burned a little bit by the sun. But what I decided to do was take this space and put in this bench. I put in some more trees, some hostas, some more lilies, so that we could sit and watch the boys as they're out playing in the front yard. But this is what it's turned out, guys. I am loving it. And so you all just continue to stay with us as it grows. Look how the sod has done well and taken. So I'm just really excited for what that's looking like. And that's going to be pretty much it. So as we thought we were going to be wrapping it up in only 2 videos, that's probably not going to be the case. But of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Leave your comments down below. And of course, share this video with a friend. And I guess I'll be seeing you on part 3. Take care, guys. Bye.